Embrace the power of yoga for weight loss. Strengthen, stretch, and sweat. Unite body and mind. Ignite your metabolism. Transform from within. Start your journey today. Want to lose weight with yoga? Ever wondered how downward dog could help drop those extra pounds? Yoga is more than just stretching and reaching for your toes. It's a holistic approach to wellness that can also aid in weight loss. By incorporating yoga into your routine, you're not only working on your flexibility, but also burning calories, boosting your metabolism, and improving your overall health. So if you're ready to change your life for the better, stick with us to discover how to melt away those extra pounds with these simple yoga poses. First up, we have the warrior pose, also known as Virabhadrasana. This pose is a fantastic way to get your body moving and your heart pumping. To get into the warrior pose, start by standing tall and strong. Step your right foot forward, bending your right knee while keeping your left leg straight and firm. Extend your arms up toward the sky and hold that pose. Feel the strength in your legs and core as you maintain this position. The warrior pose is not just about looking like a warrior, it's about feeling like one too. This pose strengthens your legs and core, which are essential for weight loss. Moreover, it boosts your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. But remember, this isn't a magic bullet. It's about incorporating this pose, along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, into your daily routine. The warrior pose isn't just a one-time thing, incorporate it into your daily routine for best results. Next on our list is the boat pose, or Navasana in Sanskrit. This pose is all about balance and core strength. Here's how you get into it. Start by sitting on your mat with your legs extended in front of you. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the floor. Your body will naturally form a V shape. Extend your arms parallel to the floor, keeping them straight and firm. Now let's talk about the benefits. The boat pose is a powerhouse when it comes to strengthening your core and lower body. It targets your abdominal muscles, hip flexors and spine, promoting better posture and aiding in digestion. Plus, it's a fantastic way to tone your thighs and lower back. What's more, maintaining the boat pose can give your metabolism a nice boost, which can contribute to weight loss. It's like getting a mini workout every time you practice this pose. Just like sailing a boat, mastering this pose takes time and practice, but the results are well worth it. Moving on, we have the plank pose, a classic in both yoga and general fitness. This pose, also known as Kumbhakasana in Sanskrit, is a super pose that strengthens your core like no other. Let's break it down, step by step. Start by getting into a high push-up position. Your palms should be flat on the ground, directly under your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your gaze fixed on the floor to maintain a neutral neck. Now, engage your core. Imagine pulling your belly button up towards your spine. This is the secret sauce of the plank pose. It's this engagement that strengthens your core and boosts your metabolism, helping your body burn calories even when at rest. Hold this pose for about 30 seconds to a minute. Remember to breathe. It's essential not to hold your breath. The plank pose might be challenging, but it's a full-body workout that's perfect for weight loss. With these poses in your toolkit, you're well on your way to using yoga for weight loss. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed today. The warrior pose, the boat pose, and the plank pose are all powerful tools in your weight loss journey. They not only help to burn calories but also increase your strength and flexibility. But remember, yoga is not just about the poses. It's about integrating these movements into your daily routine. Try to set aside a few minutes each day for practice, even if it's just one pose at a time. Gradually, you can build up your routine to include more poses and longer sessions. Don't forget to explore other poses as well. Yoga is a vast and diverse practice, and each pose has its unique benefits. The more you explore, the more you'll discover what works best for your body and your weight loss goals. Consistency is key when it comes to yoga for weight loss. It might take some time to see results, but don't be disheartened. Patience and perseverance will pay off in the long run. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination. It's about making healthy choices every day, not just on the yoga mat, but in all aspects of your life. Remember, yoga is not just a practice, it's a lifestyle. Embrace it, and you'll see not just weight loss, but overall improvement in your health and well-being. Thank you so much for watching our guide on yoga for weight loss. We hope you found the information in this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with these poses and any other poses you find helpful in your weight loss journey. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every day to help you on your journey to a healthier, happier you. We aim to provide the most effective, easy-to-follow yoga poses and routines that you can incorporate into your daily life. So join us on this journey to health and wellness. We're excited to be a part of your weight loss journey and can't wait to see the progress you'll make. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards a healthier you. Until the next video, keep practicing, stay positive, and embrace the yoga lifestyle. Namaste.
Like this video? Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more fun and learning. Leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.